What's up, friends and fellow collectors? I'm back with another LEGO unboxing and build video. We're going to be doing a speed build today of the UCS LEGO Landspeeder. This is a brand new kit that's available starting today, May 4th, for you guys to go ahead and pick up. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show you everything that comes with it, including the gifts that you get if you buy it today on May 4th. And then we're going to go through a speed build, and I'll tell you what my thoughts are at the end after I get done. So that's what we're doing today. If this is your first time on the channel, you guys know here on MCE, we talk about all kinds of collectibles. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can keep up with all the content we put out every week. And if you're into Star Wars specifically, most of the Star Wars stuff that I'm doing is lately over on the Hyperdrive channel. But considering that today is a special day and it's May 4th, and it's my day, my Star Wars day. I love Star Wars month. May's the best. That's what we're going to be doing, is a LEGO Landspeeder. So here's the box. I'll give you guys a close-up of what that is in just a few moments and everything that comes inside this box. But let me show you guys what you get for gifts if you were to go and pick it up today. So first of all, if you pick it up, you're going to get a ATST kit. So if you wanted to get one of these little kits, you get that for free. That's awesome. You get this special box of the Lars Homestead Kitchen. So that's here, all right? And this one has 195 pieces, and you can see there you got Lars, Uncle Aunt Beru, and in the kitchen there. So if you guys want to take and have that as a set, all right? And then if you're a VIP member, oops, almost dropped that. If you're a VIP member, you'll get this special gift here, which is a keychain, and it's a Beskar keychain, which is super cool. Oh, cool, and it says LEGO Star Wars. This is heavy. I don't know that I'd want to wear this. This is pretty heavy, but check this out. So you get a piece of Beskar, and on the back it says LEGO Star Wars VIP. So super dope, all right? Without further ado, because this is probably going to take me a little bit, let's get to doing this unboxing, and I'll show you guys everything that comes with it. This kit is 1,890 pieces. It's for 18 and over. I am hoping to God I'm gonna be able to get this done. And you know what? I'm confident. I'm gonna get this done today, and you guys will get to see what this thing looks like, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it at the very end. So let's do this. right, guys, I did it. Finished the build in one day. Super happy. Gotta say, this has probably been one of my more fun and more favorite builds that I've done pretty much since the Falcon. The Falcon was a challenging build, I think, is what I liked the most about that. But I feel like this is an improvement on both of the Star Destroyer build and then also on the A-Wing for different reasons. Like the Star Destroyer, I felt is a really awesome and a very impressive looking ship when you're all done with it. But I feel like the paneling on that is kind of loose and very scary to move. So this one here is a lot more solid. And then in the A-Wing, the way they mounted that display stand for it, they left it kind of wobbly. This one here has got a sturdy display and it's nice and tight, so I don't feel like this is going to fall anywhere. So I dig that. I just had a lot of fun building this set. The colors made it very easy to work with, you know, so you don't have all those issues of having the exact same color over and over and over again. After a while, you get blind looking at that. So I think that they did a great job with that. It looks like the ship. I like all the smooth lining and everything. I think that looks really nice. This idea here to put this tubing to create that section there, that's awesome. I like how they did that as well. The only few things that I would say with this ship that I wish they could have done is, one, I wish they would give you more minifigures, especially at the price point. And then the other thing is that I'm not a fan of loose pieces. This is the only piece here that is loose on this engine. I was kind of hoping this would have been locked down more. I couldn't figure out how to get it locked down. Maybe I missed a step. I don't think I did though. So I'm probably gonna end up taking this engine back apart and just redoing it to make sure that I got it right. But as it stands, this part here is a little loose, and really the only thing that's keeping it in place is the cabling that they used. But I really like the detail of the exposed engine. That's awesome. I like that you got the interior and you can see the steering wheel and the shift point stick and everything. So I think that's great too. The sticker placement. I like when they actually have the stickers already in place, but you know, this actually wasn't too bad to put the stickers on. So that all went together very, very fast. So it made for a pretty easy build. Really like this ship a lot. So let me just give you the dimensions of this. This guy is 19, almost 20 inches long. Almost 20 inches long. You're gonna need about 12, a little over 12 inches in width. And in height, you're gonna need about 7.5, 8 inches in height to display it properly. So that's what you're gonna get yourself into once you build it. But yeah, guys, highly recommend getting this one, especially if you're a Star Wars fan. This is a fun build. All right, let me know what you guys think about this ship in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed the speed build. And until next time, keep it marvelous.